Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a 1080p 360 degree indoor security camera. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a 1080p indoor security camera that has a 360 degree camera. So meaning that you guys can actually move this camera around with the application. And let me just say that this security camera has so many features. It has night vision, it has HD tracking, so you guys can do motion tracking with this security camera. There is also two-way audio with this security camera, meaning you can talk to the camera and also listen to the conversation, whatever's going on from the other end, and vice versa. So there's so many things that this security camera has to offer that I can't even list them all out. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you guys need to contact me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can contact me if you need assistance, or if you're a business owner or a company owner wanting to work with me, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out the security camera or get more information about the security camera, product information, also the link to purchase the security camera will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also get more information about this indoor 360 degree security camera. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the box has a lot of specifications and details to it, surprisingly. And as I spin it around, you guys can see we can get a lot of details and a lot of information from this box. So what I'm going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says Goowls, which is the company of the security camera. It's 1080p, it has two-way audio, motion detection, and human detection. As I flip it onto this side, there's more specifications and details. On the back side though, we do have a list of specifications and details, including the name of the application. If you guys need that reference, you guys can take a pause and read that. And then on this side, we do have a QR code that you guys can use to actually install the application on Google, which is Android, or on iOS, which is on Apple. But all that's left to do now is actually proceed to unbox this box. So what I'm going to do is unbox it, open this up, pull back, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the package. And this is how the security camera looks like. I'm just going to pull the camera out, and this is how the camera itself looks like right from the box. So let's see what else is inside the box. We have our accessories inside this white box, as you guys can see. So we do get our charging brick. We have our USB cable that you guys need to use to actually power up the security camera. And surprisingly, the cable is fairly long, so it's a micro USB to USB cable. We have like a mounting plate that you guys can utilize and use when mounting this onto the ceiling. We're gonna put it off to the side. We also got some screws and brackets that you guys can utilize and use when setting this up and actually mounting this in a position. We do get an a service card if you need any assistance from the company. And then this is also how the user manual looks like. This is the model IPC2-1 1. So if you guys need that for reference, that is the model of this security camera. So what I'm gonna do is actually move this box off to the side so we have more space to work with. But as you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's actually included with the packaging of the security camera. We obviously got the security camera itself, we got some screws and brackets, the mounting plate that you guys can utilize when mounting this onto your ceiling and your wall. We got our USB charging brick, the USB cable, and our user manual. So the package is really minimalistic and it should be really easy when we set this up and get it up and running. But right now what we're gonna do is, you know, move on to the what is it called, the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this charging brick right here, and then we're gonna take this charging cable and unwrap it. And once you unwrap this cable, what we need to do is take this charging brick and plug this cable into the back of this brick. Just like that. And now once you have that plugged into your power source, you take this end of the cable and plug it into the back of the camera. So I plugged it in. I don't see any LED indication, but let's see what happens as this kind of gets powered up. I think we might start hearing some stuff. And you guys can hear it's making some noise. The camera itself is moving. I don't know if you guys can see that on my secondary camera and my primary camera angle, but the camera itself is moving. And now it's making some noise and it's kind of spinning around. I don't know if you guys can see that with the primary camera, but it looks really cool. So what we need to do now is actually open up the application and connect this with my phone. Okay, so right now you guys should be able to see my phone screen. We're opening up the application, and what we need to do is actually connect this camera into this application. So let me click on plus. Let's do Wi-Fi connection. And it says wait 20 seconds until you hear a 2-tone sequence, which we've been hearing this whole time. So we're gonna click I hold the sequence, and it's gonna ask you for your Wi-Fi credentials. Once you proceed and put in your Wi-Fi credentials, it's gonna give you a QR code that you guys need to actually face at the camera itself. So let me face this.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
And you guys can hear it says connecting to Wi-Fi, so we just gotta wait until it connects.
Wi-Fi is connected.
And you guys can see the Wi-Fi has successfully connected to the security camera. So now we can proceed to the next step. So let me click on next. And it says the pairing process can take up to 1 to 2 minutes. So we're just gonna wait.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
And you guys can see it connected successfully, and that was actually really quick. I thought it was gonna take a little bit more time, but we're just gonna name this Office. So I'm gonna click on finish. And we're gonna skip through past all the subscription stuff. We're not gonna get that. And we're gonna click on Office to see our view. And you guys can see, we can see the camera's view. And let me just say, it's interesting, you know, because now I can use that pan shift and stuff. And but let me actually shift this camera up so we can actually see my face. We can go in settings. And I'll show you guys. So smart camera on and off. You can go in and change all the settings and foam rails and stuff, and even rotate the image, and also fix the lens distortion correction, you know, time zone, or all that kind of stuff. If you have an echo show, you can connect it with the security camera, which is also very nice and very convenient to have if you have that device. We also have settings for smart detection, abnormal sound detection. So if you want to turn that on, if it hears something that doesn't sound right, it can give you an alert and let you know that, we hold something that just doesn't sound right for this time period. If you go down, you can even add a pin protection, connectivity, and all that kind of fun stuff that we don't need to really look at. But you guys can see the camera's really not bad, you know, it's not delayed as much, which is good. It looks like we do kind of need to take it down, but the good thing about it being 360 is, look, I can turn it around and spin it around, and you guys can see everything. So right now you guys can see the camera is now facing towards you guys. You guys can see that's the farthest it can go. Same thing with the other side. If I went the other way, you guys will see the camera's gonna turn around, it's gonna face me again. You guys can see it's facing me. Hello. And now you guys can see it's turning all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. And you guys can see that's the farthest it can go. So it's basically a 360-degree security camera that can spin around 360 degrees to show the whole area, and you guys can, what is it called? Change the position of this camera at any given time. So right now, if I wanted to go up, it would go all the way up, and you guys can see it's going as far up as it can go. If you want to go all the way down, all you gotta do is go all the way down, and you guys can see now it's pointed at my table. So this camera is 360, and you guys can see that it has a large area that it could potentially cover. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you guys, you can go in and change the quality. We want HD because if something was going to happen, I want to capture it at the highest quality. Click on the record button. You can recording whatever the camera's capturing. So right now the camera's capturing me. Hello guys, how you guys doing? The quality's not too bad. It's enough so you guys can actually see people at least. So that's good. And then to end the recording, you just click on the record or the video icon again. To take a picture, you just click on this picture icon, and you guys can see the snapshot has been saved to my album successfully. To talk to this security camera, all you need to do is hold down this middle button, which is the microphone. Hello? Hello? What are you doing in my house? And you guys can see it's really loud. And I'm not doing any audio boosting or anything, but that is just the audio from this camera, and you guys can see it's very loud. But yeah, no, honestly, it's actually really loud. Impressive. Let's see what this does. Hello? How you guys doing? So you guys can see, I can hear whatever the camera's capturing through my phone. And then we do have an alarm with the security camera. So we do have a few other modes that we can check out. There's a cruise mode, which is motion tracking. So right now, if I start moving, the camera should start following me, and it is. You guys can see it's following me. There's a lot of features with the security camera, and obviously the last thing that we haven't tested out is night vision. So what I'm gonna do is include a clip right here. At all, but this is how the night vision of the security camera looks like. And you guys can see, I can see my full entire face, I can see all my expressions and my body. So the night vision is really effective with this security camera. And if you're out in public, or if this was out in nighttime and you want to capture people, this would be a fantastic security camera to do so with. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about the security camera from the company Goowls? Well, the great thing about this camera is that 360-degree angle that it can film. So meaning that I could pan this camera to any corner of the house, pan it onto the side, and I can pan it to basically any direction I want and see the whole area that I'm trying to capture at any given time. And I also love how effective the night vision was. The two-way audio worked perfectly fine. The motion tracking was also really good when we did have the 360 mode on, and it was able to follow me around and trace me kind of around with my setup and everything. So it was really effective. So it's a budget-friendly security camera. So if you're in the market for some security cameras, check this out and see if you want something cheap but budget-friendly that can still do the job, but maybe just not cost as much as traditional security cameras. But right now, what we're going to do is actually end off this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about the security camera, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with us, or if you guys have any, need any assistance or need any help, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out the security camera, product information, and also the link to purchase the security camera will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also get more information about this indoor 360-degree security camera. But honestly, it's a fantastic camera. The price is hard to beat, and if you're, like I said, in the market for some security cameras, go check this out and some other, security cameras I reviewed in the past. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.